grandchild was looking at his grandpa writing a letter.
Are you writing a story about us? Is it by chance a story about me?
The grandpa stopped writing, smiled, and said to her grandchild, "Indeed, I am writing about you. However, more important than the words is the pencil I am using. I hope you will be like this pencil when you grow up." The child looked at the pencil curiously but could not see anything special.
But exactly the same as every other pencil I saw in my life.
It is all in the way you look at things. There are 5 qualities in that pencil that, if you will be able to maintain, will make you a man in peace with the whole world. First quality, you make big things but never forget that there is a hand guiding your steps. This hand, we call it God, and He will always have to address you toward His will. Second quality, sometimes I have to stop writing and use a sharpener. This makes the pencil sharper a little, but at the end it will be sharper, so learn to bear a little pain because it will make you a better man. Third quality, the pencil always allows us to use an eraser to cancel mistakes. Understand that correcting something we did is not necessarily a bad thing. Fourth quality, what is really important in the pencil is not the wood or the shape but the lead that is inside. So be always careful of what happened inside of yourself. At the end, fifth quality is always leave a sign. In any case, be aware that everything you do in your life will leave trails. Try to be conscious of every single action.